Well, hopefully I've whetted the appetite with what I said already. But what I think really is we have this campaign called Bust the Myths. There's a lot of myths. There's a lot of Chinese whispers around wireless access, and is it secure? Is it not? Is it expensive? So we've really sort of put that on show and got some hard facts on some touchscreen and some interactive displays there. But equally, come and not only talk to ourselves, but talk to our technology partners, our OEM partners that are going to be on our stand sharing our space, but also in their own booths, around how wireless can really significantly increase your flexibility at a cost-efficient rate, but also give you the feedback and the development for the future-proofing of your solution and your facility, not just for now, but for the next 5 and 10 years moving forwards. So again, it's all around future-proofing and return on investment, etc. So again, I mentioned this OEMs. We've actually now secured around 70% of the global leaders within that domain, not only in EMEA but globally. So again, I've mentioned the names, and they're going to be on the stand. We'll also be representing our product sets on our own stand, but also on our partners' booths also. And again, it's about coming in and seeing it firsthand, visiting the integration zone, seeing firsthand how it complements. But not only that, just restricted to access control. Within the integration zone, I mentioned Tracker, which is our key management system, whether you're using for the time and attendance, or for firearms, or for vehicle control, etc., etc. And equally, we'll have our click solutions, which are electronic mechanical key solution for remote areas and utilities where you haven't got power, etc. For digital over-the-air credential deployment. And similarly, we'll have other products from our Yale smart homes portfolio of equipment. So we'll have the smart locks division there with their integration to a smart home technology. And equally then we'll have also products from Multilocks with the Zin range from Abloy with their access control aligned products, Aperio and Tracker. So again, there's a whole wealth and some key brands there that you'll see the power, and the whole purpose of what we're trying to achieve, and we hope the customers achieve, is that around the outset is the complementary technologies and the breadth of what ASSA ABLOY can do, and in the centre is how it all pulls together, and the power of the partnership and the integration, and hopefully in the future the convergence with our technology partners to bring the right solutions to the markets at an affordable and efficient price, but without scrimping on the actual security levels.
So we've got some great new products that we'd love to showcase to people this year. We've got our RedCare View product, which is a rapid deployable CCTV solution. It's really very agile and innovative, so it'd be great to have people along to come in and see that, and actually we'll be doing live demos on the stand. As well as we're also talking about our alarm signaling products, which have only just this year kind of passed a very high bar of being accredited to an LPS standard. So we've got third-party verification of essentially of our products and how reliable they are, and I think that we'll really be hopefully seeing the benefit of that as insurers especially recognise the importance of it.
I don't think there's one single biggest threat facing the industry. I actually see that there are two main threats, but they are interlinked. And these threats can be turned into opportunities so long as we adapt and embrace the changes. There are other B2B and B2C businesses that are starting to cross over from other industries and disrupting ours. The threat is levelled at both product development as well as routes to market. An obvious example of this is the entry into the market by Google, Apple, and to some extent Samsung too. Google and Samsung have spent eye-watering amounts of money in acquiring their way into the home automation sector. Apple, on the other hand, have taken a different approach, but nevertheless have their eyes on our sector. So secondly, for the service sector, it's the drive by the very large telcos and utilities into this same issue. These businesses have already started to explore, and in some cases pilot, schemes that will probably evolve to include security.
So visitors at the IFSEC International 2015 should definitely visit the Milestone stand to see the technology of the future. Nothing less, and that being the XProtect open platform development, the trends around it, the Husky lineup in a lot of new areas, as well as meet our partners, and as a very new initiative, meet Milestone R&D specialists. And in the end, but not least, please join us for a beer on the Tuesday evening at the Fox at Connors. See you there.